How to hard reset Realme Neo 7.
Step 1. Hold down the power button for a while to activate the power menu.
Step 2. Keep the finger on the toggle and move it down to the power off option.
Step 3. Simultaneously push and keep the power key plus the volume down button. After a while, the recovery mode will be activated. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.